All right, and this is a big day for Atlas, and why?
Yeah, it's my first time backpacking and I'm really excited. So, yeah, I'm excited to put up the tent, get on the trail, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys up on the trail.
Nice.
Alright everybody, so we're about halfway and feeling strong, feeling great. It's been a wild adventure, so I'm really excited to do the rest, and we're getting close to camp. Dad, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, I think you're doing a great job. Keep it up. How's the hike going at Tay?
Awesome! Woo! Okay everybody, we have made it. We've got my dad setting up the tent right now. How's the hike?
Was terrific. I was surprised at how much water was coming down the river along those beautiful cascading waterfalls. And you were cruising along really well. And then it started to get dark, but it was a really beautiful evening. So all is good. We got a beautiful little site right on the water.
Yeah, you guys will get to see it in the morning. Okay everybody, so I just woke up. We've got a really beautiful morning. There's some clouds, but that's fine. Still, it's really beautiful. As you can see. Yeah, so we just woke up. My dad's outside the tent. Did it good? Alright everybody, so my dad's taking down the tent. How was your night, Dad?
Well, my sleeping pad has a hole in it, so it was a little bit uncomfortable, but still got some pretty good sleep. Feel pretty energized this morning.